The fragrance of flowers and dreams. They say there are no restrictions on dreaming, but turning dreams into reality requires courage, hard work, and determination. This is the story of a little girl, Zainab, who lived in a small village. Her parents were gardeners who took care of beautiful flowers like roses, jasmine, and motia. Zainab also loved flowers deeply. She would often sit in the garden, inhale their sweet fragrance, and lose herself in the world of dreams. The scent of dreams. Zainab dreamed of starting her own perfume business one day, but poverty stood in her way. The villagers had always used flowers for decoration, but Zainab knew that their fragrance could be turned into exquisite perfumes and scented products. She often told her mother, "Mother, one day I will make a perfume that will be famous all over the world." Her mother would smile and say, "My dear, only those dreams come true that are pursued with hard work." The beginning of hard work. Zainab started collecting roses and jasmine from her father's garden. She used traditional methods to extract their essence and kept experimenting. She failed many times, but she never lost hope. One day, she finally succeeded in making her first pure rose perfume. The villagers admired its fragrance and encouraged her. The fulfillment of a dream. Zainab continued her hard work, and within a few years, her handmade perfumes reached big cities. Her dream had come true. Today, she is not only a successful entrepreneur, but also provides employment to many women in her village. This story teaches us that when intentions are pure and efforts are sincere, the fragrance of dreams can cross all barriers and turn into reality. Sparkles